Fromm Group designs, develops and manufactures a wide variety of systems, machines and consumables for unitizing and palletizing goods for transport. 4 divisions offer packaging solutions in the fields of strapping, protecting, wrapping and automated systems. Our current range of Fromm strapping tools consists of over 35 exceptional models, covering both steel and plastic strapping for the most diverse requirements. AirPad is the registered Fromm protective solution with recycled, biodegradable and paper alternatives. All solutions can protect your goods, your costs and the environment. Fromm wrapping solutions are designed and manufactured for a long and undisturbed life. Both durable and reliable, our solutions have been made for packaging any product at the most competitive price. Our fully automatic packaging machines can be integrated into existing production lines or act as standalone. Established in Zurich in 1947, the Swiss family business has continued to innovate and adapt to changing market situations and develop individual solutions. Today, Fromm is the world market leader in the packaging sector with 40 subsidiaries worldwide and 150 local distributors. Over 1,300 loyal employees give their best every day to ensure the quality and durability of Fromm solutions worldwide. Long-established and experienced engineering teams constantly develop new techniques and products within our research and development centers. Products are tested in our in-house test centers right down to the smallest detail, and yet always refined to the highest quality. New ideas are designed with great attention to detail to fulfill the most demanding market needs, while research is carried out using the most modern technologies. With the expertise from different departments and continued close teamwork, state-of-the-art innovations are created along the way. The passion and commitment of our employees goes into every Fromm product. Fromm's Lifecycle Care Service supports the entire life cycle of our products, and Fromm are always in direct contact with our customers. Thanks to our Visual Assistance app, Fromm can help solve problems under the guidance of our experts. All our efforts serve a sustainable future for the generations of tomorrow. We take responsibility for our actions and are constantly working to reduce resource consumption and maximize recyclability of our systems. We are aware of the power of nature and are increasingly using solar energy in our energy requirement. Think global, act local. We are always close to you.